friends, today we're going to draw a cute hippo.
Yeah, one with a tutu. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can always use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our hippo's nose, and we're going to draw an upside down U right in the middle of our paper. And I'm drawing it really wide too. Yeah. And then right in the middle, we can split the U and come down and draw a guide point. And then we're going to start here on the left side. We're going to come around and then curve up and connect to the side of the U. Then we're going to repeat that same curve on the other side to match. Then we can draw a teeny little mouth. And also let's draw little nostrils. One over here and one over here. Then we can add the eyes. I'm going to draw a cute little eye right here and one over here to match. Two little circles. And then we can draw that smaller circle in the top left for the highlight. And then when we color in the big circle, leave the little one white. Now let's draw the top of our hippo's head. We're going to draw a big upside down U. I'm going to start next to the eye, and we're going to come up. Our hippo's going to have a really big head. And then let's draw the cheeks and also the chin. So I'm going to curve around for the cheek, and then we're going to come under for the chin, and then curve up for the other cheek. And then let's draw the ears. We're going to draw little ears, right? We're going to draw an upside down raindrop, and we'll draw that same raindrop shape over here for the other ear. Then let's also draw another raindrop shape inside that's smaller. And I forgot, let's also add some eyelashes. And we're going to draw flowers up here. I'm going to first draw the center of the flower right on top of the head. And then let's draw the petals. The first petal, I'm going to draw it right next to the head. And then the next petal, we're going to draw inside of the head. And then we can draw another petal right next to it. And then a petal outside. And then one on top. Let's do that again for another flower right here. This one, I'm drawing it closer so this first petal will overlap behind. And then we can draw two inside of the head, come out, and then one more on top. Let's add leaves. I'm going to draw one little leaf coming out to the left. Then we can also tuck some leaves in between the petals right here. I'm going to draw one more over here. I'm going fast. So our friends, if you need more time, you can pause the video. You can also add more flowers if you want. I'm going to draw a couple more leaves. That looks really cute. I'm going to add even a leaf that comes out on the other side of the ear. Lots of leaves. There we go, that looks really cute. Now let's draw the arms and also the body. I'm going to start here for the shoulder, and we'll come out on both sides. And then let's curve around, and then back up, and then I'll stop there. And I'm going to try to match the same size arm on the right side. Now it's okay if they're a little different. Then we can draw little toes. I'm going to draw 3 U shapes for the fingers, or toes, since these are actually feet.
Oh yeah.
Then let's draw the waist. We're going to connect the arms together right here for the waist. And then we're going to draw another curve to match right underneath that one. And we can curve up to connect to the arms. That's the start of our little tutu. Okay, now let's draw the fluffy part. I'm going to draw 2 lines going out from each side. And we're going to draw a really wiggly line for the tutu. So we're going to draw big S curves going all the way over to the other side. Let's draw another layer on our tutu. So I'm going to draw 2 smaller lines coming out, and then we can draw another S curve wiggly line over to the other side. Okay, now let's draw our hippo's legs. We're going to draw 2 lines coming down, and also I'm drawing them coming in closer to each other. She's doing some ballet pose. And then right here, I'm going to draw lines coming into the center for the bottom of the feet, and they'll get really close. And then we'll draw 2 curves coming up almost to the middle. Oh, let's just go all the way up and connect to the tutu. And then let's draw 3 little upside down U shapes for the toes on each foot. We did it! We finished drawing our ballerina hippo. It looks really cute, except we still need one more step.
Color it.
Yeah, my favorite. Now we're gonna fast forward this part, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings too. You ready to speed things up?
Yes. Yeah, I like how they look colored in.
And I hope our friends will color their drawings too.
You could also add a background.
Yes, a background would be awesome. What would it be?
More hippos dancing.
What was the name that we came up with while we were coloring?
A hippo-rena.
Yeah, or a ballerino. We used our light gray to color a hippo first, and then a darker gray to add shading to make our drawings look more 3D, but you could leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier. We also gave our hippos really pink cheeks, which is one of my favorite parts.
Yes. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a cute hippo.
We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.